Masarap pero healthy drinks ba ang hanap mo? Legit na masasarap yung mga drinks nila dito at ang dami pang choices na pagpipilian. One of my favorites is matcha brown sugar milk. Pinag-takeout ko na rin nga pala ng mga drinks yung mga kids ko na siguradong magugustuhan nila. At dahil grand opening today ng Royalty dito sa SM Center, Downtown Antipolo Branch, may pag-giveaway silang mga insulated bags sa kanilang first 100 customers. Royalty is serving premium milk teas and real teas infused with fresh fruits. You can even customize your own drink and create your own tea experience. You can choose your drink size. They have medium and large. Second, you can choose your base and then you can also choose your add-ons or sinkers. You can also choose your sweetness level. At dahil grand opening ngayon, may libre nga pala sila ngayon na photo booth. Can't decide? Here are my recommendations. For me, must try yung kanilang mango brown sugar boba milk with chizo. And because I love matcha flavors, must try din yung kanilang matcha chizo. Deserve mo matikman yung mga masasarap and healthy drinks dito sa Royalty, SM Center, Downtown Antipolo. Kaya tara nang pumunta sa Royalty.